Most people think you need hundreds or thousands of dollars to start investing. The truth is, you can begin your investment journey with just $10. Let's be honest. Life in America is expensive. Rent eats up most of your paycheck. Gas prices go up while wages stay the same. You want to save, you want to invest, but the moment bills hit, there's almost nothing left. Maybe you've got $10 sitting in your account and you think it's useless. You wonder what difference it can make. The truth is, it can be the start of something life-changing. You don't need to be rich to become an investor. You just need to understand how money works and how compound growth works. You don't need a finance degree or a Wall Street mentor. You need mindset over money and consistency over perfection. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to start investing with just $10. No experience, no excuses, just simple, practical steps that anyone can follow. Most people treat $10 like pocket change. They spend it on fast food, lottery tickets, or subscriptions they forgot to cancel. They believe $10 won't grow into anything meaningful. That belief is the biggest barrier to building wealth. The truth is, every dollar is a seed, and just like planting a seed in the ground, it grows over time if you water it and give it light. The mindset shift is this: stop thinking of money as something to spend. Start thinking of it as something to multiply. Every dollar you don't waste is a chance to earn more. $10 today could become 100 or even 1,000 over time, especially if you let compound interest do its magic. Most people think investing means calling a broker or using complicated apps. That fear keeps them from starting. But today, investing is simpler than ever. The real truth is, you can start with beginner-friendly apps made for first-timers. Apps like Robinhood, Fidelity, SoFi, Acorns, and Public let you start investing with as little as $1. Many of them charge zero commissions. That means every dollar you invest goes to work without fees eating it away. For example, you could download an app like Public, sign up with your email, link your bank account, and you're ready to go. The process takes less than 10 minutes. No paperwork, no credit checks, just you and your money starting a journey together. Most people believe they need to buy a whole share of a company. They look at stocks like Amazon or Tesla and feel discouraged because one share costs hundreds or even thousands of dollars. But that belief is outdated. The truth is, many apps now let you buy fractional shares. That means you can invest $10 into any company you like, even if the full share is worth $3,000. You're buying a piece of it, like owning one slice of a big pizza. It still grows with the company. It still earns dividends if they pay them, and it still builds your portfolio. This makes it easy for small investors to own quality companies without needing big money. You don't have to start big, you just have to start. Beginners often try to pick hot stocks. They chase trends. They watch YouTube gurus promising 10x gains, but that mindset usually leads to losses. The smarter move is to invest in index funds or ETFs. These are bundles of top companies wrapped into one simple investment. For example, an SP 500 ETF gives you exposure to 500 strong companies like Apple, Microsoft, and Google all at once. If one company fails, the others balance it out. It's low risk, low maintenance, and ideal for beginners. You can invest $10 into ETFs like VOO, SCHD, or SPY through most investing apps. This spreads your risk and grows your money slowly but steadily. Many people forget to invest because life gets busy, bills pile up, unexpected expenses pop up, and they never get around to it. The solution is automation. The real strategy is to set up recurring weekly or monthly investments, even if it's just $10 every 2 weeks. Over time, this builds a habit. It removes emotion from investing, and it ensures you're always building wealth quietly in the background. Think of it like a subscription to your future. Set it, forget it, watch it grow. Most people underestimate the power of small amounts. They give up because the first few months show tiny results. But investing is not about speed, it's about compounding. Compound interest means your money earns money, and then that money earns more money. For example, if you invest $10 every week for 10 years and earn 8% annually, you could end up with thousands of dollars without doing anything extra. The earlier you start, the bigger your results. Time is more powerful than income. $10 now beats 100 later. That's the secret most people never learn until it's too late. Many people delay investing because they don't feel ready. They wait to read books, or take courses, or save up more money. But the truth is, you learn best by doing. Start small, then study as you grow. Listen to podcasts like The Ramsey Show or Bigger Pockets. Watch YouTube channels that teach personal finance. Read books like The Simple Path to Wealth, but don't let learning delay action. The best education is experience, and the best time to start was yesterday. The next best time is now. Most people invest hoping for quick returns. They check their apps every day. They panic when stocks drop. They sell too early and lose money. That's the wrong game. Real investors think long term. The goal is not to flip your $10 next week. The goal is to turn it into 100 in 5 years, or 1,000 in 10. Time smooths out market ups and downs, and it rewards those who stay patient. So once you invest, leave it alone. Let it breathe. Let it work. Come back in a few years and thank yourself. Let's say your investment gives you dividends. That's money paid out by the companies you own. Most people take it as cash, but smart investors reinvest it. That means you use your earnings to buy more shares automatically. This is like adding fuel to your financial fire. Over time, those little reinvestments speed up your wealth building. Always turn on dividend reinvestment if your app allows it. It's free and powerful. You don't need thousands to start investing. You need $10 and a plan. You need to stop believing investing is only for the rich. You need to take action before you feel ready. You need to choose the right platform. Start with ETFs or fractional shares. Automate your habits, trust the process, learn along the way, and most importantly, stay consistent. This is how real wealth is built, one small step at a time. Here's the truth. $10 won't change your life today, but what you do with it can change your entire future. Wealth doesn't come from how much you make. It comes from how often you invest and how long you stay in the game. So don't wait for perfect. Start now with what you have. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who needs to hear this today.